Sketch the curve y equals this, giving the coordinates of all intercepts with the axes. Solve the inequality this. Find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the curve here and the line y equals 3x plus y equals 4. So there's the question then. Sketch first of all. Just use a digital pen here. So I'll try my best to draw it with that. So a quick sketch then. So here's the x-axis. Here's the y. Here's 0. So when x is 0, y is 12. It's going to be an n-shaped curve. So we could look at the turning point, couldn't we? Or we could try and factorize it. So let's try and factorize it then. Equals, let's do 3 fours. 3 minus x. 3. 4. 3 fours are 12, so I think we need a 4. X. So this is minus, so the bigger one would be a minus, so this needs to be a plus. So this equals 0. So let's just check this, 12, yeah. 3x minus 4x is minus 1x, and then plus times minus is a minus x times x is x squared. So that equals 0. X must equal 3 then, or x equals minus 4. We know it's an n-shaped curve, so it's got 3 is one root, and then minus 4 is the other. So it's an n-shaped curve, so I'll draw it with a digital pen like so. It's going to come up. Okay, it's going to go around and then come back down like so. There's the sketch. We could get dy dx, couldn't we, if we wanted? Equals, that would go to 0, minus 1, minus 2x equals 0. And that would be when x is equal to minus a half. So the maximum's over here when x is minus a half. So we could just do that quick sketch again then, now we know that piece of information. Okay, so let's have a go at it then. So it's just the oh, I need to draw that straight line in here again. So it comes up, n-shaped curve, through here, turns there, and then goes back down at minus 4. So there's the sketch then with the digital pen. So this coordinate here is the 3, 0. This coordinate here is minus 4, 0. And this coordinate here, when x is 0, we have a value of 12, don't we, for y. Solve this inequality here. Well, we can see that this is greater than 0. Part 2 then. So 12 minus x squared is greater than 0 when, well, x would need to lie in between here, so x would need to be less than 3 or greater than minus 4. That's part 2. Find the coordinates of the points of intersection of the curve and this line. So let's see where they meet then. Part 3. So here, 12 minus x squared is equal to, now this y will be, move the 3x over 4 minus 3x. So when does that equal? Move all the move the x squared over here. Move this over, plus x, minus 3x is minus 2x. Move the 12 over, 4 take 12 is minus 8. So we moved the x squared over, became positive. We moved this over, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. 4 minus 12 is minus 8. So what have we got here then? X x, 4 2's. This would be minus, this would be plus. Because 0 tells us that x equals minus 2 and x is equal to 4. At x equals minus 2 then, y is equal to, well, 4 plus 6 is 10. At x equals 4, y is equal to, put 4 in here. 4 minus 12 is minus 8. So let's look back at the question then. Find the coordinates of the points of intersection. So those are the points of intersection, minus 2 and 10, and 4 and minus 8.